Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme 11 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on the same options in both apps. I will start with my Android one. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue and allow. Now on Realme, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, you can select Not Now in Don't Miss New Updates pop-up if you wish to, and then close it by hitting OK. Finally, after selecting Close in white pop-up at the top, you can select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Realme, use all of those categories available at the top to pick multiple files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. After selecting all of your files that you wish to send, click on Send Next Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Receive. So, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!